In 1999, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, addressed the use of non-metallic, or NM, cabling with certain restrictions, particularly in the context of multifamily dwellings and other structures that exceeded 3 floors. It is a common misconception that the 1999 NEC outright prohibited the use of NM cabling in structures over 3 stories. However, the actual limitation was specific to vertical runs of NM cable. Section 336.5A of the 1999 NEC limited the use of NM cable in vertical runs where the cable was exposed or concealed within walls, floors, or ceilings. This means that while NM cable could be used in buildings exceeding 3 stories, its application in vertical pathways was restricted to ensure safety and compliance with code requirements. This restriction was aimed at mitigating potential fire hazards and ensuring the integrity of electrical installations within these structures. The 2002 NEC brought about a significant change by eliminating the restriction on the use of NM cable in vertical runs within multifamily dwellings and other structures exceeding 3 floors. This change meant that NM cable could be used more freely in these buildings, provided that the installation complied with the stipulations outlined in NEC Section 334.12A on. The removal of the vertical run restriction in the 2002 NEC reflects an evolution in the understanding of the safety and performance characteristics of NM cable, as well as advancements in installation practices and materials. Section 334.12A of the NEC provides specific guidelines and requirements for the proper installation of NM cable to ensure safety and compliance. These requirements encompass various aspects of the installation, including, firstly, the type and size of NM cable suitable for the application. Secondly, proper support and securing methods to prevent damage or strain on the cable. Thirdly, protection against physical damage such as conduit or other protective measures in exposed areas. Fourthly, appropriate use of fittings and connectors to ensure secure and reliable terminations. Fifthly, adherence to ampacity ratings and overcurrent protection requirements to prevent overheating and fire hazards. Sixthly, compliance with grounding and bonding requirements to ensure electrical safety and minimize the risk of shock. Seventhly, proper routing and clearance from heat sources and other potential hazards. By adhering to these installation requirements, electricians and contractors can ensure that NM cable installations are safe, reliable, and compliant with the NEC, regardless of the height or occupancy of the building. The changes between the 1999 NEC and the 2002 NEC regarding NM cable restrictions reflect an ongoing effort to balance safety concerns with practical considerations in electrical installations. While the 1999 NEC imposed limitations on vertical runs to mitigate potential hazards, the 2002 NEC eliminated these restrictions, provided that the installation complies with specific requirements outlined in NEC Section 334.12A on. This evolution in code requirements underscores the importance of staying informed about the latest updates and revisions to the NEC to ensure compliance and maintain the highest standards of electrical safety.